Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will answer you few art questions which my audience had been asking of me over social media. So let's start those questions and I will answer you. So whatever you're carrying in your heart, whatever your problem you're carrying, you can also ask me in the comments below. If you have any questions, you can feel free to ask. So let's start our discussion. So, how does can one make living as an artist? How can you become a full-time artist? So by creating artwork daily, by practicing your art daily, by spending time in your studio, you can do different kind of experimentation with the colors, with your palette, with your canvas. Yeah. So how you can become full-time artist, how you can become full-time artist and make your living as an artist. So you can create your own website where you can sell your work. You can also try Etsy. You can sell your work over a social media platform. This is how you can make your living as an artist, and this will give you enough money to fund your art niche. So another question is, how do you know if you're an artist? How you will figure out if you're an artist, if you're good at art, if it is meant for you? How will you find that out? So to find out this question, you have to practice daily on the subject which you like, even it's landscape art, even it's animal art, or if it is any kind of portrait work. You gotta explore your creativity, you gotta practice, experiment every day, and this is how you're gonna figure out if you are an artist. To find your calling as an artist. So next question is, do artists respond to each other over social media? Do artists post each other work over social media? Yes, they do. Yes, they do respond to each other over social media. Yes, they do support each other's work. Each other's work over social media. So I also support other artists' work, and other artists also support my work too. So by supporting each other, it improves our connection between artists community. So next question is, how can you sell your paintings and earn from it? So to sell your paintings, there are few ways you can try. First is Etsy. You can sell your paintings over Etsy. It is best platform for the artists to sell their artworks. And the second thing, you can try over social media, over your Instagram account. So many artists sell their artworks through Instagram, through Facebook also. So through their websites too. You can also create your website to sell your paintings. That is also the best way to sell your artworks. So this is how you can earn money from it. Some people also prefer using Patreon. You can also sell your work to Patreon too. And the second way for selling your painting is, you can join different kind of art events. You can approach art galleries. So you can also sell your painting if you're having any art shop, if you're having any art stall. You can also sell your artworks to a art stall also. You have to join different kind of art events. This is where you can sell your work easily. So next question is, how you can teach yourself to draw? How can you teach yourself to draw anything? So to draw anything, to teach yourself drawing, just hold a pencil. Just hold a pencil and draw whatever you like. Any object which you see in front of yourself, anything whatever you see in front of yourself, like a tree, any landscape, any house, any building, even if it's a cat, even if it's your pet dog, whatever it is, just start, just take that action, take that initiative. That's the way you can teach yourself to draw. Yeah, definitely you will make mistakes at first, and gradually you will keep improving your art skills. Yeah, this is the only way you can teach yourself to draw. Yeah, definitely you will make mistakes, and you will also overcome those mistakes, and you will keep improving that skill. Yeah, our next question is simple tips for getting started in making art. Yeah, the only best tip I can provide you, I can give you, is always draw outside in the nature. Always draw, always paint outside in the nature. You will have some fresh air in the nature. You will feel better in the nature. You will have better confidence level to start your art, to start your drawing. Yeah, nature is the best place. Drawing outdoor is best place because your lungs need some fresh air. Yeah, this is how you can feel better at drawing. Yeah, so our next question is, how do you describe an artist? I think that's a simple question. So this is how you can describe any artist. Yeah. This is how you describe an artist. By his art. Yeah. By his expressions of art. Yeah, by his creativity you can describe an artist. You can see by yourself. This is how you can describe an artist. I hope you got your answer. So if you have any more questions, you can ask in the comments down below. Yeah.